Good morning, student. Today we will discuss on acidifying agent. It comes under the category of gastrointestinal agent, like saline catharatics, antacid. We also study acidifying agent under the category of gastrointestinal agent. So let's start acidifying agent. First of all, we will discuss on acidifying reagents or acidifiers. These are drugs or agents which are able to increase acidity in GIT, gastrointestinal tract. Some of the drugs are used to increase metabolic acidosis, whereas some of these are used to increase the gastric hydrochloric acid. They are also known as acidifying reagents or acidifiers. These agents are known as acidifier also because they increase the acidity in their targeted area. These are classified or categorized as follows. First one is gastric acidifier. These are drugs which are used to restore temporarily the acidity of stomach in patients suffering from achlorhydria or hypochlorhydria. Achlorhydria or hypochlorhydria is a condition in which low level or absence of acid in the stomach has been seen. In other words, we can also uh, explain this as a less acidity in our stomach, because acid is also responsible for the uh, food digestion. So at a normal level, it is very essential component in gastrointestinal agent. So the agents which increase gastric acidity called as gastric acidifier in the condition like chlorhydria or hypochlorhydria. Urinary acidifiers. These are the drugs which are used to render acidic urine to enable treatment of some type of urinary tract disorder. In case of urinary tract disorder, the pH of urine changes to acidic, more acidic. So to remove this or to get relief, we use urinary acidifier. Urinary acidifier increase the pH and treat the treat this condition. Next one is systemic acidifier. These are the drugs which are able to neutralize the alkaline body fluids, particularly blood, in patients who are suffering from systemic alkalosis. In previous cases like antacid, we have discussed antacid may cause systemic alkalosis, systemic antacid like sodium bicarbonate. In that condition, we use acidifiers which can neutralize the alkalosis condition. Basically used as systemic acidifier or acidifying agent acids. Acid are used as pharmaceutical aids in the preparation, laboratory quality control, etc. Now we will see some properties of acidifiers. These are mostly white fine coarse crystalline powder, odorless, cool saline test. A solution of 0.8% of ammonium chloride is isotonic with serum. Freshly prepared aqueous solution are neutral to litmus but become quickly acidic on standing because of hydrolysis. As we are seeing, NH4Cl plus 2H2O hydrolysis, ammonium chloride when hydrolyzed, it produces NH4OH, hydronium ion and chloride ion. It was previously acid by precipitation titration using Volhart's method. Now it is acid by acid-base titration technique. Most of the acid which are most of the acidifying agents are previously precipitated by Volhard method or acid by Volhard method. Now it is done by acid base titration. There is a very important compound named HCl, which is mostly used as systemic acidifier. So let us discuss on systemic acidifier. The systemic acidifier is HCl, dilute hydrochloric acid. Formula HCl, 10% weight by weight, molecular weight 36.46. Ingredients: hydrochloric acid and purified water. Hydrochloric acid is commonly known as spirit of salt because it was first of all prepared by distilling sea salt with sulfuric acid. It is aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride in water and is having not less than 35% weight by weight and not more than 38% of HCl. Let us discuss preparation. How HCl is prepared. It is manufactured by the action of sulfuric acid on sodium chloride. Calculated quantities of concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium chloride are heated in the cast iron pans of a salt cake furnace. The hydrochloric acid gas is formed, which is passed in a tower which is sprayed with water. The dilute hydrochloric acid is collected at the bottom. It is again circulated to the tower to absorb more hydrogen chloride so that it gets concentrated. The acid so produced is then purified. Sodium hydrogen sulfate formed in the process is mixed with some more quantity of sodium chloride and heated strongly in the Maffei furnace to get more hydrogen chloride gas. The reaction is as follows: NaCl, sodium chloride plus sulfuric acid, NaHSO4 plus HCl, sodium hydrogen sulfate. This again react with NaCl to get more concentrated HCl, as we are seeing in the reaction. During the manufacturing of caustic soda by electrolysis of sodium chloride solution, large quantity of hydrogen and chlorine are obtained as byproducts. These gases are combined to yield hydrogen chloride. It is a second approach of producing hydrochloric acid. Properties: it is a colorless liquid, strongly acidic. It is miscible with water, alcohol, having a specific gravity of 1.18. It is a strong acid and attacks metal, forming their hydrochloride with the evaluation of hydrogen gas. Even in high diluted form, it is very strongly acidic to litmus. Identification: after neutralization, it gives reaction which are characteristic of chloride. When it is added to potassium permanganate solution, chlorine gas is liberated. Test for purity: it has to be tested for as heavy metals, sulfate, sulfide, free chlorine, bromide, iodide, and residue on ignition. Assay: 4 gram of HCl is transferred into a stoppered flask which is having 40 ml of water. Now the solution is treated with 1 NaOH using methyl orange as an indicator. Like we can see in this reaction, NaOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O. It is a simple acid-base neutralization reaction. Storage: it should be stored in well-closed container of glass or other material at a temperature not exceeding 30 degree centigrade. Uses: it is mainly used as pharmaceutical aid or as an acidifying agent. Used as gastric acidifier when levels of hydrochloric acid in gastric juices are low. Externally used as solvent, catalyst in basic pharmaceutical, and as acidifier. So it was discussion on acidifying agent and hydrochloric acid as acidifier. It is a very important topic in gastrointestinal, isn't? So read it. Thank you.